I hope you're all okay, and a happy new year to you all. Thanks for all the new subscribers, great to have you on board. We're at the boatyard today, and it's the 6th of February today. So but anyway, we're in the boatyard and we're just going to check out this puppy. This boat is actually for sale for 120,000 euros, and the reason the guy's selling it is mainly because he hasn't got time, and the one day that he does have time in the summer, perhaps it's a little bit too windy. So we're going to have a look at see what 120,000 euros buys you. So if you, what year is it, Macaulay?
2007.
2007 it was built. Beautiful boat. Anyway, my buddy Paul's up there, so let's go and have a look inside. A bit cheeky, but we're going to have a look inside, see what 120 grand buys you. We've got the old twin propellers. Look at them puppies. Wow. Got a nice ladder there, look. Very nice. Oh, Jesus, how am I going to climb up that? Bear with for a minute. Then, guys, let's take you in and have a look. Let's just see. Oh, I say. Oh, 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 I say. This is all very nice. Look at this.
Oh, yes.
I can see you there, Paul. Oh, I can see you now, Paul. Oh, look at the leather seats. Beautiful. Oh, look at the walnut dash. So, are you considering buying this then, Paul?
No.
Hey, it's nice, isn't it?
It's lovely, isn't it?
It is nice. Look at this bad boy, hey guys. Look at this, oh my lord. What dial do you look at first? Drive, trimmed, oh of course there's two engines, isn't there? Battery temperature, battery voltage, oil, two oils, two fuels, revs, two revs, yeah of course that's the engine, there's two engines, isn't there? We've got the speedometer there, and we've got the nice, a very nice compass there. I wouldn't mind getting a compass for mine. Oh, say TV, no it's a Ray Marine satellite thing. Right, beautiful. Look at this. Oh, oh, oh yeah, yes. You've got a master power, and two little ones. That's what those levers are for. So you can go sideways. Oh yes, beautiful. Yeah, twin look. Look at that twin.
Where's the key?
Beautiful. As I say, this is for sale, guys. So if anybody wants got 120,000 euros, then. Apparently,
Well, it's not as big as I thought it would be.
oh, say, look at this nice posh steps. Oh, this is nice. Oh no, it's not, is it?
It's not as big as I thought it would be.
Oh look, hey, oh bloody hell, look at this.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god!
Look at this. Bloody hell, in a mirror. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Light switches for the bedroom. What we got in there, Paul?
Toilet.
La toilette. La toilette. Oh, it's nice though, mate, isn't it? But would you want to be cooped up in here?
No, it's not enough.
You really wouldn't want to be cooped up in here, buddy, would you? Well, I wouldn't anyway. But however, having said that, it is rather nice. Binoculars. Nice table there. TV, look guys, TV. Hey?
Oh, look at the stereo system.
Oh wow, that's not a stereo system. What you like is the stereo.
What is it?
It's the mains power.
Oh, okay.
Plug it into the shoreline power and battery voltage regulators and stuff like that. There's your speakers though. The speakers are up in the corner there. Oh, let's just have a sit down on the plush leather seats, guys. Let's have a sit down on the plush leather seats. Hey.
Oh yeah, it's rather nice.
It's like a camper van, isn't it?
It's not worth 120,000.
120,000. Don't you think so?
No. I wouldn't pay that for it.
Wouldn't you? No. Nice floor though, look, Paul.
I mean,
nice steps and everything. Plenty of storage space.
Fridge.
Stereo up there. What's a little fridge?
Yeah. Oh, hey, want a beer?
Oh yeah. Yes, it is nice. Got little curtains. Look. Oh, so this is how the other half lived, guys. Hey? To that, guys. What did you think to that?
Oh yeah.
Hey?
Bed.
Yeah, he's going in there. Are you going to have a lie down?
Yeah, I'm tired.
What's it like? Yes, very nice, guys, very nice. What do you think? Nice, eh? What we got in here then? Guys, we've got...
Blow up doll.
Boo!
Blow up doll.
So we've got the little wash basin there. Oh, I hope we've got a bikini here, Paul. Oh, hey! Yes. Shower. Nice. Nice mirror there. It's all very rather nice. Little cupboard there. Yeah, some nice steps and everything. Non-slip. Got a nice fridge. What's in here, Paul? So we'll check it out. Oh, I hope. Clothes. Oh dear. Is that all they've got for clothes?
Yeah.
Well, I suppose you are just swimming, aren't you?
Really? What, on this? You're living on this.
Oh, so what we've got there? We've got oh, look at that little cooker, look. Little one-ring cooker. Nice. I like these push-button knobs here.
That's where you get.
They're cool, aren't they? Little. Look at that. Oh. Paul.
Yes.
Oh, microwave, Paul. Microwave.
Right.
And what's in here then?
Jesus.
Oh, they've got the old olive oil and salt there, look. Watch your head, Paul. As we're back on deck.
Right, so that's your air vent for your bedroom. Look.
Oh, yes, yes. So what do you think to that, guys? Hope you enjoyed that little bit of a vid. Just to see how the other half live. Beautiful, eh? Oh, dinky donks, say at sea, dinky donks. What? Very nice. Beautiful. Rock and roll. That's it, guys, so don't forget to place a like or a comment. Alright, thanks for watching and see you soon for the next video, the next adventure. Oh yes. Yes. Rock and roll. Hey, rock and roll.